Hey everyone, welcome to urtechduck. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Calendly for client appointments and make scheduling easy for both you and your clients. Let's dive in. First, log into your Calendly account. From your dashboard, click on Event Types, and then click New Event Type. Choose One-on-One to set up individual client appointments. Next, give your event a clear name, like Client Consultation or Strategy Session, so your clients know what the appointment is for. Then, set your availability. You can choose specific days and times that work best for you, ensuring there are no double bookings. Calendly will only show your available slots to clients. To make the booking process smoother, add any custom questions for clients. Press Add New Question. You can ask about their needs, objectives, or any information you want before the appointment. Once you finish, click on Save Changes. Once everything is set, share your Calendly link with your clients. They can select a time that fits their schedule, and once confirmed, the meeting will automatically be added to both of your calendars. And that's it. You've now set up Calendly for client appointments. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to urtechduck for more tech tips. See you.